Let us go to the exercise 2.5. We are solving exercise 2.5. Seventh question. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. So Dinesh went by this way. Dinesh went from A to B and from B to C. A is 7.5 kilometers from B. The distance between A and B is given to us as 7.5 kilometers. And B is 12.7 kilometers from C. The distance between B and C is 12.7 kilometers. Ayub went from A to D and from there to place C. So Ayub went this way. Ayub went from A to D and then from D to C. The distance D is 9.3 kilometers from A. Distance between A and D is 9.3 kilometers. C is 11.8 kilometers from D. The distance from C to D is 11.8 kilometers. Who travelled more? By how much? Let us see how much distance Dinesh travelled. So, distance travelled by Dinesh. Distance travelled by Dinesh is equal to 7.5 plus 12.7. Please note, we have to add 7.5 and 12.7. Decimal point must be below the decimal point, then and then only we can do the addition properly. So this is 7 plus 5, 12. 1 carries 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carries 2, decimal point as it is carried forward. So answer is 20.2 kilometers. Distance travelled by Ayub is 9.3 plus 11.8. 9.3 plus 11.8. Let us do this addition. 9.3 plus 11.8. For doing addition, decimal point must be below the decimal point. So this is 3 plus 8, 11. 1 carries 9, 10, 11. 1 carries 2. So answer is 21.1 kilometer. Now let us see what is the question. Question is who travelled more. To find who travelled more, we have to do the subtraction of the larger number. From this we can understand Ayub travelled more. So here since 21.1 is bigger than 20.2, we can say that Ayub travelled more than Dinesh. Further, one more question is asked, by how much? So to find by how much, we have to do the subtraction. So let us do the subtraction. 21.1 minus 20.2. So we can't do the subtraction from 1 to, we have to borrow from 21. So when we borrow, this becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. And if you return the borrow, you will get 0, 0. It means Ayub travelled 0.9 kilometers more than Dinesh. Please note, 0.9 kilometers means 900 meters. If you multiply by 100, we will get 900 meters.